Plant profile, Canna. Canna is an annual tropical flowering plant that lends drama to the landscape with its fabulous foliage and colorful blooms in midsummer in our mid-Atlantic region. The foliage can be green, bronze, burgundy, solid, or striped. The flowers can resemble an orchid, iris, or gladiola, and have a sunset-like color range, from pinks to yellows to oranges to reds. All canna originated in the tropical and subtropical Americas. They went to Europe in the mid-16th century, then on to Asia, South Africa, and Australia. Canna breeding took off in these regions, and they have returned many wonderful cultivars to our gardens in recent decades. Canna can be purchased in 3 forms: seeds, rhizomes, and potted plants. Due to the canna yellow streak virus, it is recommended that canna be started from seed, or if rhizomes are offered, you should ensure that they be certified virus-free. If you start from seed indoors in early spring, you can then transplant them outdoors when any danger of frost is gone. Canna do best in full sun and moist, rich soil. If you're satisfied with having only the foliage, canna can be planted in part shade conditions. Gardeners in our region have found that their canna may reliably overwinter and return when they are planted against a brick wall, along greenhouses, and in south-facing locations. You can give them extra mulch as some insurance against an exceptionally cold winter. You can also pull the plants in October, cut off the stalks, and store their rhizomes in peat moss or similar material in a dark, cool spot. Canna are useful in the summer garden at the back of mixed borders, in containers, and as a privacy screen. The range of canna sizes span from dwarf forms around 3 feet tall to tall standards over 10 feet. 2 of our favorite varieties are Ermine, which has a creamy yellow flower and thrives in a wide variety of growing conditions, and South Pacific Orange, an All-America selection winner that is a compact grower perfect for containers. For more tips about growing canna, see our plant profile story in the summer 2012 issue of Washington Gardener magazine. Canna, you can grow that.